Kalburana, Gobernador F. Pandillo. He's the first Filipino Roman Catholic priest to be elected as governor in the country's history. He was born in Minaling, Pampanga on December 6, 1953 to parents Gervasio Plana Panlillo and Catalina Tongo. He was a former head of the Archdiocese of San Fernando's Social Action Center of Pampanga. He also established the Talete Panyuling in Kapampangan Incorporated. He delivered the most dramatic turnaround in the provincial government's Lahar warning fee collections. Eddie Pandillo was chosen